The whole conference Future 4.0 is about connecting startups with corporations. But the question is, how to find a perfect match? Is there something like Tinder for startups and corporations? Okay, but wait, am I even ready for a relationship? What do I actually want? Is that one-night stand, open relationship, or maybe even marriage? Title for the next slot could easily be "This is how they do it." Let's meet Luca Deu from Iskra and Samo Kastelic from startup Smartcargo and ask them how they met and where their relationship stands today. Luca and Samo, welcome to the future!
Hello from startup company Smartcargo.
Okay, hello from Iskra.
Luca, as we know, Iskra is a globally recognized corporation providing intelligent industrial solutions. What was the challenge and why, instead of developing solution in-house, your decision to start a relationship with startup?
So Iskra is in process of digitalization and implementation of paperless environment. We know that cargo and logistics requires a lot of documentation and communication between involved parties. Our goal was that the process of cargo and logistics is digitalized and simplified. Our wish was an interactive system that will lead our users through a process, and that all documents are collected in one place. We also wished that cargo companies and our buyers will use this platform for communication. So for this project, we needed specific knowledge, and we found out that we don't have enough of knowledge in our house. So the smartest and the most effective way was to look around to see if there is something on the market. And the name Smartcargo pops up. And that's how our relationship began.
Samo, Smartcargo developed a platform that automates the entire logistic process, from document creation, transport and insurance selection, document distribution, and notification, to coordinating all the participants in the process. What problem actually inspired you, and why decision to start collaboration with Iskra?
In Smartcargo team, we have a lot of experiences in operational and management roles from different industries like supply chain, logistics, software development, retail, distribution, consulting, and so on. And at the time, each of us faced more or less same problems. A lot of operational work, seamless communication, pointless reporting, and so on. So Smartcargo emerged from the idea to automate supply chain process and connect all involved parties in one neutral and safe ecosystem. Therefore, the goal was to create an entire logistic process modern, digitalized, and automated for less bureaucracy, less manual work, and for more efficiency. Smartcargo enables savings in time and money on many levels, but our main focus is on constant development. We think that going from hard working to smart working result in added value of people and also their health, either through lower stress level for better performance and engagement of the employees, or in time of pandemic crisis, keeping safety distance by preventing physical document exchange for those on the field. Our biggest challenge is that we are making a solution that does not exist yet for the pain on the market that not many are aware of. So there are some connected operational challenges that we need to solve at the beginning in order to steer strategy in the right way. For instance, choosing the right technology, finding right development partners, keeping up with the global development and changes, and finding partners like Iskra.
So the next question is for both of you. When the flirting between Iskra and Smartcargo began, you probably wrote down pros and cons. And Luca, what was the biggest benefit that you saw in Smartcargo?
With startup, we gain a partner with a lot of knowledge and experience in logistics. In the same time, they needed company like Iskra to fully develop their product. Our biggest gain was that we were part of development and we can influence in user experience of this platform.
What about Smartcargo? What did you write on your list? What did you gain in this relationship?
With Iskra giving us opportunity, we gained a proof of concept, and we were able to fine-tune the product to its full capacity. Furthermore, Iskra's reputation and market position allow us to test and see how the product works on the enterprise level, and the results were above our expectation.
Samo, with or without Iskra? Would Smartcargo be the same today?
Well, every single IT solution needs its first customers to test the concept. We believe that the most important part of any startup company is to get on the market as soon as possible, because only market can shape the product so it can be used to its full potential. And if this can be done on the corpo level, that escalates even faster. And that's exactly what happened with Smartcargo.
A lot of corporations have second thoughts about working with startups because it's a stereotype that they can be unreliable. Today they are alive and maybe tomorrow they are gone. So, Luca, why Smartcargo and why startups?
Why Smartcargo? Smartcargo has a unique solution that we didn't find anywhere on the market. And also in Iskra, we like to support startup companies. Why startup? Because it's a lot of new, fresh energy. It's a lot of out-of-the-box new ideas. And that's why we like to do business with them.
Samo, can you please tell us, how does this collaboration really look like in practice?
First, we start to search for the right partner, and we find out that Iskra is really open for the new technologies and also for the digitalization. That's why we approach them, call them, and we agree upon, firstly, with the pilot project, and then later on this developed into business relationship. So they're using our platform as a software as a service, and we're getting paid for that. We are giving them our full support for that, and they are optimizing their process for the supply chain and logistics.
We are getting to the end of our pleasant talk. So, just one more question. Iskra, would you marry Smartcargo again? And Smartcargo, would you jump into the relationship with Iskra as well?
Definitely, the pilot project was a total success. We have a very good partnership, and we are looking forward for further development with them.
Only one spark was enough to light up this great partnership. So yes, we definitely would. We share same view on many points. Iskra strives towards development and is willing to take some reasonable risk with new technologies, same as we are at Smartcargo. We are looking forward to new success stories with Iskra and their team.
Thank you for sharing your corpo startup experience with us. You see, it's not so complicated. Step 1, you have to know what you want. Step 2, if you are ready, go for it. And step 3, Future 4.0 platform can actually be your Tinder to find a perfect startup corpo match.